So that right there is our plane. The plane we gonna be leaving in very shortly, inshallah. We got the Emirates Airlines, Qatar Airlines. Inshallah, I'm gonna fly some of these airlines when I reach the Middle East, when I start traveling from country to country, inshallah. So I got my bread. Now it's time for me to go get my jersey and then go to the room, work out, and then go to sleep so I could get up early and start my day before coming back here and going to Egypt, inshallah. So these are the Qatar monies. I forgot what they called, but they like the same as the Saudi Riyals. They got the same exchange rate almost. So you trade in $100, you're gonna get close to four, a little bit over four. So alhamdulillah. So when you look at that first store I came in, they had a jersey for me. I'm gonna go on and grab this one. It's 18 Qatar dollars, so that's about like $5, $4 bucks. But I'm gonna try to find another better one than this. But I'm gonna get this one too, inshallah. And it got my initials, AK. I'm trying to find me some noodles. I got everything. I got all kind of stuff I never seen before here. I need me some of them noodles, dog. Please tell me you got them. So this here is the Doha Center. This is where I got my jersey from. It's cracking over here. And this is a little grocery store slash, I guess it's like a little Walmart type thing, but this is where I went to go get my my noodles from. I'm finna look in like maybe 2 more stores, then I'm gonna get out of here and go to my hotel. So right now I'm in a restaurant. It's called the Oriental Bakery. I'm about to try out this stuff. It's called a mushroom fry. So yeah, I'm gonna hit that up and see what it do. A little bit hungry. And I'm gonna go to my room and check in. I still haven't checked in. So that's what's next, inshallah. So this here is what the mushroom fry looks like. Inshallah, we gonna try that out. See what it do. Inshallah, it's the deal right there. So yeah, it's the VIP hotel. That's where I'm gonna be staying at. Inshallah. They got a lounge. Let's go check out the room, inshallah. So we're gonna be going right over here to room 219, inshallah. So let's get to it. This is the humble abode for the next day. Well, until tomorrow morning at least. Cost us $60, well, really 58, but that's down near 60 if you round it. Let me pull these kicks off because I don't want to put no shoes on the rug. Got a nice flat screen, mashallah. A work desk. I want to come get some work done, slap my laptop up there, record some Quran or whatever I'm gonna do, inshallah. Got a nice little table with an ashtray. I don't smoke, so I don't, huh? But yeah, nice big, I don't know what size bed that is, but it's nice and big, mashallah. Everything is real futuristic and up to date up in here. This is one of the nicer rooms I stayed in since I've been traveling, you know. I like this room, mashallah. Woo-wee, mashallah. I think I'm gonna have to take me a bath after I come out the gym. Oh wow, they even got the separator so you don't be smelling your whole thing up if somebody in the shower or whatever. Mashallah. So this right here, real sick. This how you turn on the lights and everything in the restroom. So I just clicked that on. I really wanted to just show y'all. And they got all this nice shampoo, skin balance, shower gel, body lotion, conditioner, shaving kits. I don't know what this is. Brushing your teeth. They got a loofah right here, man. I'm gonna use all this, put all this to work. And whatever I don't use, I'm bringing it with me since I ain't already paid for it. You feel me? Mashallah, it's a beautiful swimming pool. I don't know how deep it is though. I noticed that all of the pools in the Middle East, you can't really tell how deep they is because they don't got no numbers. Even in Indonesia as well. Same difference. Rooftop swimming pool. You feel me? So I'm here in the gym now. This is what it looks like. Mashallah, it's very nice. It has a lot of equipment. You got all the right stuff too. Only thing it don't got is free weights, like free weights for powerlifting, but it's all right. Cause I'm gonna do that tomorrow when I hit the gym. But they do got dumbbells, kettlebells. So yeah, let's get this. Let's get this money, man. Bismillah. Rahman. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. Even if you got guns like the military, we all still destined for the cemetery. Walking through the valley of the shadow of death. I know God watching over me every single step. Even if you got guns like the military, we all still destined for the cemetery. Walking through the valley of the shadow of death. I know God watching over me every single step. Something like Tom Brady cause I stay in the field. Or better yet, a blacksmith cause I stay with the steel. Don't try to get in the game if you ain't playing for real. The police will try to pop you when they aiming to kill. It's like they been given permission to do it at will. They ain't even doing their job, they just do what they feel. How they gon' put on the badge to protect us and serve us? Instead they using their badge to get away with a murder. So you better know the law before you give them a reason. Cause when they pull you over, they don't even follow procedures. Stay out of your pockets, cause them boys ready to shoot. Pull the trigger first, ass later, that's what they do. Look at how they did Trayvon, Oscar Grant and Stephon, Martin Luther King and Malcolm X, the list goes on. Something we must address, we could no longer let it prolong. The hatred and the racism been going on for so long. Fear Allah cause hell put a hole in the ozone. The dean got me feeling like I popped the oxycodone. Only represent one squad, the one that worship one God. Move smooth cause I ain't trying to get put in the jail pod. On a mission for the dean and I promise I won't fail God. Wallahi I'ma keep it lit. The dean is always what I spit. Lead a pious lifestyle, make sure I teach it to my kids. Did a lot of sins, I'm just hoping that Allah forgives. Please accept me, I believe in your promises. They could never break my self-esteem or my confidence. Before you bust a move, you gotta think of all the consequences. What your attention is, you try to please them audiences. What your position is, you rockin' with Shaitan and them. Rock with the prophet, the believers in Allah and them. Ain't even gotta have more numbers when you rock with them. Don't bite the hand that feeds you or could take your oxygen. You will never catch me selling drugs on the block again. I be trying to make sure that I never miss a lot again. Try to make sure every day I go back to the mosque again. I be trying to make sure that I never miss a lot again. Even if you got guns like the military, we all still destined for the cemetery. Walking through the valley of the shadow of death. I know God watching over me every single step. Even if you got guns like the military, we all still destined for the cemetery. Walking through the valley of the shadow of death. I know God watching over me every single step.
Tired of talking about, time for me to walk it too. Wanna be real, you say something, you follow through. Part of being a man is doing the things that you gotta do. Embracing the fact that the people you love count on you. Tired of talking about, time for me to walk it too. Wanna be real, you say something, you follow through. Part of being a man is doing the things that you gotta do. Embracing the fact that the people you love count on you.
I'm rocking with the Mu'mineen, trying to stay prayed up. Islam could change the world, just look at the way it
changed us. Why do the world blame us for the way that we came up? Used to be a different man till Islam made me change up. The whole hood dying and the rest of us is caged up. Straight up, hit the prayer rug when I wake up. The world sleep, I'm just here to make them wake up. Study a little bit, then try to get my cake up. Lost a couple O's just cause I didn't have a band, so now I run it up to be a better family man. They tried to tell me that I lacked the ambition. That wasn't the case, my ambitions was just different. I do whatever it takes to get Jenna, but Shaitan will do whatever it takes to get with us. Why you judging me? I'm pretty sure that we both sinning, even though we both move a little bit different. Only Allah could be the judge, He knows my intentions. Just listen, it's lessons up in every sentence. Keep praying and make sure that you seek repentance. Be ready for death, it could happen in an instance. Now you laying inside of your grave wishing that you had a chance to pray for His forgiveness. La ilaha illallah, to that I bear witness. Being rocking with God, I was raised as a Christian. The things that I went through, it changed the condition. That's something you must remember when you make a proposition. Never feel intimidated when you face the opposition. Never remove your grip until you break the competition. Quran in my heart, never behind my back. Walking down the road of life, I'm just glad I got a map. Don't get stuck in a pattern, gotta learn to adapt. And if you keep gambling, you just might crap. And if you can't control your mind, then you just might snap. You don't wanna pick a fight with the champ. Do that boy like Wilder, I'm better than Mike Jack. And where I'm from, these niggas got hammers like Iraq. They kill our people, so why we don't fight back like Shaq? These niggas foul, so why we don't hack? Treated as thieves and criminals just for being black. I ain't even being subliminal, I'ma stay facts. Tired of talking about time for me to walk it too. Wanna be real, you say something, you follow through. Part of being a man is doing the things that you gotta do. Embracing the fact that the people you love count on you. Tired of talking about time for me to walk it too. Wanna be real, you say something, you follow through. Part of being a man is doing the things that you gotta do. Embracing the fact that the people you love count on you. Tired of talking about time for me to walk it too. Wanna be real, you say something, you follow through. Part of being a man is doing the things that you gotta do. Embracing the fact that the people you love count on you. Tired of talking about time for me to walk it too. Wanna be real, you say something, you follow through. Part of being a man is doing the things that you gotta do. Embracing the fact that the people you love count on you. Tough journey when you on the road to paradise. I don't fear death, I'm most scared of life. I hope Allah forgive me, I ain't living right. I hope Allah forgive me, I ain't living right. So this is one of the things I do not like about Qatar so far, is that they got clubs and bars and stuff. So I'm sitting here in my hotel room, it's 1 in the morning. I know y'all hear that music and drums just beating and beating and beating. They've been going for the past hour or two. I don't even know when it's gonna be over, but that's very, very, very disturbing. The hotel is very nice and beautiful, but if I had to rate them, I'd give them like a 7 or 6 because of that. It was up a little higher, but I lost some points for that. But to be continued, good night. Assalamu alaikum.